Here I want to start your grammar and composition section. And as you know very well that our composition is of two types, short composition and long composition. So notice is in short composition. The composition where the word limitation is 40 to 50 words. It is in short composition, and the composition where word limit is 100 to 120 word. It is in long composition. So firstly I want to tell you notice. A notice is a formal means of communication. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a particular group of people. Notices are generally meant to be put up on a specific display boards, whether in schools or in public places. So, a student, here I want to tell you why we write a notice and what is the purpose of writing a notice. The purpose of writing a notice to announce or display information. कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन अनाउंस करने के लिए और डिस्प्ले करने के लिए हम लोग नोटिस राइट करते हैं. And here is the format of notice. So this is important point. A notice should be written in following format. First point is the name of the organization issuing the notice. तो सबसे पहले हम लोगों को नोटिस में नेम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टाइप करना होता है. दैट मीन्स द इंस्टीट्यूशन नेम which is going to issue a notice. And then the second point, the title notice. एज ए टाइटल हम लोगों को नोटिस राइट करना होता है and it must be in capital letter, HNOTICE. The notice word must be written in capital letter. Third point is a heading to introduce the subject of the notice. Third point is heading, और heading हमारे subject of the notice को introduce करता है. And next point is the date. Date is the fourth point. So firstly we have to write the name of the organization. Second point is notice. Third, a heading to introduce the subject of the notice. Fourth is date. And then the body of the notice. This is the fifth point. And next point is the writer's signature, name and designation. Here I want to tell you, when we write the name of the person who is writing notice, it must be in block letters. That means it must be in capital letter. Next, see here is the format of notice. Firstly, the first point is name of the institution. Here we put name of institution. And second point is notice. Here we put notice word we write here. And third is date. Date should be mentioned here. Date हम लोग यहाँ पे write करते हैं. Fourth point is कंटेंट इंक्लूडिंग शेड्यूल, डेट, टाइम, वेन्यू. यहाँ पे हम लोग कंटेंट राइट करेंगे. एंड देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज सिग्नेचर ऑफ द राइटर. द पर्सन हु इज राइटिंग दिस नोटिस आई विल साइन हियर. एंड देन आफ्टर नेम ऑफ द पर्सन, सिग्नेचर के बाद आफ्टर सिग्नेचर द पर्सन हु इज राइटिंग द नोटिस, he will write his name, and the name of the person here must be written in block letter or in capital letter, and then after the designation of the person. Next, Here are some value points. Here are some value points for a well-written notice. A well-written notice must inform the readers about what, when, where, who, and whom. The 5 Ws. This is very good technique to express by taking this idea, the 5 Ws. What is 5 Ws here? I want to tell. See, these are 5 words: what, when, where, who, and who. Begins with W letter. That's why we called it 5 Ws. And what is the means of what? First is, in notice you have to reply this question: what is going to happen? Means क्या होने जा रहा है. Second, where will it take place? वो इवेंट कहाँ पे होने जा रहा है. Just when we answer this question about the event, where it is going to be happened. And third is when it will take place, और वो इवेंट कहाँ पे कब होगा ये हम लोग को मेंशन करना होता है. तो एंड फोर्थ इज हु कैन अप्लाई और इज एलिजिबल टू अटेंड. दिस इज द फोर्थ पॉइंट. मीन्स उस इवेंट में कौन अप्लाई कर सकता है एंड हु इज एलिजिबल टू अटेंड, उस इवेंट को कौन अटेंड कर सकता है. नेक्स्ट इज whom टू कंटेक्ट और अप्लाई टू, किससे कंटेक्ट किया जाए उसमें अप्लाई करने के लिए. एंड इंक्लूड ओनली द इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. Add only relevant information if not included in the questions. And this is also a very important point. Short and grammatically correct sentences must be used here. Short sentences and it must be grammatically correct. Next point is present the notice within a box. When we finish our notice, just present whole notice in a box. Word limit is 40 to 50 words. Only the words in the body of the notice are counted. और जो हम लोग का वर्ड लिमिट होता है सिर्फ हम लोग बॉडी ऑफ लेटर के वर्ड्स, बॉडी ऑफ नोटिस के ही वर्ड को काउंट करते हैं. जैसे कि नेम ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन में जो भी वर्ड यूज हुए रहते हैं उसको काउंट नहीं करना है. एंड द डेट, नोटिस, ये सब वर्ड काउंट नहीं किए जाते हैं. Information must be presented clearly. And next point, it must attract readers' attention at once. Standard abbreviations are allowed. तो इसमें हम लोग abbreviation words भी यूज कर सकते हैं. And I think student you have understood all these points. And I will give some examples and exercises for your practice in next video.